Oh, and welcome back to another video. Today we're playing Fall Guys. I just downloaded it. Um, I have no idea how to do link and subscription, so if you want to get it, if you have laptop or PC, you can go to the Microsoft Store. $15.99 plus tax, which is like 16. Um, maybe 17. Yeah, probably 17. But without further ado, let's get into it. Fall Guys, very fun. I've only played it twice, but like, subscribe. Okay. Um, yes, I have played it once. My mouse glitching out right now, but it's fine. Um, confirm. Okay. Merry Christmas, everybody. I'm gonna be up all night, and I might go on a live stream. I'm not sure, honestly, because I figured out how to do live videos. So, because I tried to do one earlier, nobody saw it. Because I don't think anybody knows my channel, but um, well, hopefully I'll get famous one day, and I'll be able to do fun stuff. But I might go on live and show some of my desk. I got a giant arcade machine. Giant. It's not like regular size, but it's cool. It takes a sec. Should restart in. Oh, okay. Ooh, it started. Ooh, it's cool. Oh, we're starting. DoorDash. Okay. I'm not good at this game, so sorry if I don't play good. What did you use? The mouse. Yeah, mouse, right? And WASD. I'm not used to that because I'm left-handed, but I'll try it. Oh, it's so scary. I wish I had like a 10-second countdown because it's scary whenever it just starts with one. Oh, first. Oh, oh, I forgot to jump. I can't jump. I just got knocked out. Knocked it down. I might not be last, but pretty far behind. Come on, guys. Oh no. I just got knocked out again. Oh, knocked out. I'm good so far, I think. Yeah, at least I'm not last. Oh, wait. I love this game. There's a bullet beside me. That's cool. Qualified! Let's go. First qualified. Okay. Oh, there's Santa Claus is beside me. That's pretty cool. They all went down. Okay, what's next? Next up is very awkward. Um. Oh, Jinx. Uh. Oh. Wait. Okay, I know there's like a tell game. Like they have this Natcher Tells. I'm not sure if this is it. I don't think it is. Okay, getting ready. I don't think it is. Oh, it most certainly is not. Don't try. I guess you don't get to. No, stop, stop. Don't play with me like that. Don't. I am diseased with something. Take that. What do I do? I don't want it. I don't want it. It's bad. It's bad to have this, right? Is it bad? Oh no, I'm gonna get unqualified. How do I do this? Just dodge that wrecking ball like crazy. Like catch them or something? Come on, I'm real scared right now. Oh, so you got it. It's like infection, right? Is it? If you hear that, that's my little brother. He has autism. Just don't worry about it. Oh, oh, I forgot to jump. Oh no. Why am I forgetting to jump? The space bar's right there. Oh, it's literally not jumping. Literally not. Oh no. So, oh yeah, okay. I know what it was. Fun. I also have a totally accurate battle simulator. I might go live on that. Make some cool characters. I have Unit Creator. I'm gonna spectate and see who wins, and then that'll probably be the end of the video. Oh, you gotta try to survive. If you hit the ice 3 times, it breaks. There's 2 layers. Probably 3. Maybe 4. Snowman's doing pretty good. Hope you're having a good Christmas. I am. What's about grandma's? Got a lot of stuff. I got a plasma ball. It's pretty cool. Spectating a dinosaur. Oh, he fell. Uh, spectating this person. They fell. That sucks. Game over. Who won? I think it's that astronaut person. Yep. Good job to whoever that is. Hope you're having a Merry Christmas. And, well, guys, without further ado, the intro. Peace out.